Hi, I'm Ronnie from Ronnie's Garage, and we're having our monthly tech meet, and today we'll be fixing the wires in a driver's door of a Bentley T2. Oh, that's the wrong. What is it? Oh, this one. Oh, that's the one I just pulled through. Here's the before. One nice thing about not soldering this is a lot easier to do too, and you don't have to worry about the shrink wrap shrinking on you and all kinds of.
Hey, when you don't have enough lead and the shrink wrap comes up too close to your solder joints.
Yeah.
And you're right about the wicking. That wouldn't.
Too long.
There's some nice nippers.
Yeah, not bad for some cheap little doodads. The dangerous thing about using this crimper is when you get your finger in the end on the wire cutter part, and you get right down to the end, it pinches.
Hopefully you only get like one or two of them blood blisters before you... Hey, that's not a good thing to do.
That's that Darwin effect.
This is a nice flashlight, but it sure puts on enough heat to
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. It gets warm. This is actually a really good segment right here. There's a lot of problem with a lot of these cars with these broken wires. Intermittent problems, door locks, windows. Look at this, somebody's added a ground because that black wire was broken.
Yeah.
See that?
Go again, Ronnie?
See this wire out here? This black wire I'm patching right here is what's supposed to supply ground, and somebody has added a ground because all the windows probably didn't work.
Is this shrink wrap you're using, is it rigid when it dries, or is it flexible?
It's flexible.
Should we give those other wires an inspect while you're in there?
I don't see any broken ones. They're a little bit.
Shaped?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to retape it so it's good enough.
That's the criteria there.
Another good reason for using the stout wires, it's easier to push through. It's starting to get a little tight.
That's why I was thinking if you had one like a pole wire.
Back and forth.
Yeah.
Big cash. Although I've lived here my whole life, that's what it is.
You ever use those little micro torches for this?
Yeah, I've yet to find one that keeps working for a long period of time. Plug up or whatever they do, the chicken shit. But yeah, I have one. I used to use it a lot.
Yeah. Make sure sets to shrink too fast. You gotta
Well, and
have a
plus
little finesse without burning.
you don't need a extension cord.
Yeah.
That's the nice thing.
All that Mercedes brings out of Christmas, they said, yeah, we can get the window up and we'll just do it into the door panel. That's about $3,800. He said, he wants you to know that before we do that. Yeah, it's, as I get older,
What is this thing used for?
It's got a. It gets pretty hot, doesn't it?
I'm
Well,
impressed that,
yeah.
as far as a heater, heck,
Black
back
and
in the
green.
winter.
No, black and yellow, right? Black and yellow.
a battery. I've got this one that is incessant rattle in the dashboard, but other than that.
We've got Prius now.
You know, all the literature I read said by the nicest one you can, don't go home. That's true. And I did, and still, determined one.
At least you went to I actually, too naive, I saw something.
You got real lucky.
I know, I think it could down here.
Come on now, twist.
It's like flipping a coin and then you got the right side of the coin.
She's starting to annoy me.
Car collector.
With the California,
Yeah, California. No, it came from Japan.
Caterpillar,
Yeah,
related.
yeah. Well, what that?
Halfway there.
I don't know, they're just inherently full of rust. This one here,
Oh, I don't even see the red one yet.
They didn't have that.
It's got to be in there.
Red one in here.